Hey guys, here we go to offline Huawei store to shoot a video about Huawei Mate 60 Pro and Huawei Mate 6, and also I will make a simple comparison video about these two devices. And this one is the Huawei Mate 60 Pro, and they provide four colors: black, purple, white, green. This is the purple Mate 60 Pro. And for this time, before they are banned from the United States and they cannot use 5G chips, but this time they use the on-developed chips, and the speed of the smartphone is actually more faster than the normal 5G. And also they use the new technology to combine the laser and material control to the back panel, and the X image they used is also powered by Huawei on-developed technology, the screen and the camera, 6.82 curved screen and the satellite talking, and also the Kunlun glass. It's called second generation. And also the camera is also nice, so they don't work with sales again. It's still cool. Here's more information about this device. So Leica work with Leica, and 84 megapixel super long lens camera, and 10 grid adjustable aperture, full aperture images, and 5000 big battery with 88-watt capable fast charging and 50-watt wireless charging and 20-watt reverse charging. This is basic information about this Mate 60 Pro. It's about IP68 6 nanometers waterproof, 6 nano proof, and the chips is a bit similar to the Kirin 1000S. Display resolution 2720 by 1260. The weight is around 225 grams. And it also houses OIS main camera, aperture f1.4 and 12 megapixel wide angle, f2.2 aperture, and 48 and 50 megapixel. Yes, super sensor to use. 10 times, 100 times, 10 times optical, and 100 times medical zoom performance for the camera. And the screen is called 100 Hz LTPO refresh screen and 300 Hz touch rate PMW 1440 LED covered screen. So this is pretty good for Huawei to use their own technology and develop this smartphone after ban from the United States. And when I hold it in my hand, I feel that it's very nice. Not too big and not small. Length 160 with 679 and thickness 8.1. So it's not too big for me. My hand is not big, but I can still easy to control it with one hand. But if it can be smaller, that will be perfect for me. Yeah. And here more. Yeah, so which color do you like? Purple, black, white, or green? Yeah, so this is the Mate 60, and green. They also provide four colors. This is green and purple. Yeah, I really like green color, to be frank. And for the back side, it's almost same like the Mate 60 Pro. And also I said the back panel, the combined mantle with material with leather. So when you touch it, you can feel two different kind of feelings. And the camera zone is bumped up, circle design, and X-Image logo was in the middle of the circle. And the camera almost same, 50 megapixel AI super sensor, and 12 megapixel wide angle, 2.2 and 12 megapixel periscope. This is the difference is the periscope. For the Mate60, it's used the 48 megapixel long lens and macro camera. Yes, this is green color. I mentioned I really like this color, and we can check more information about this device. And also they used F68 4nm waterproof, and battery 4750 and 60 watt, capable fast charging 50 watt wireless charging, 7.5 watt wireless charging, and it also supports satellite message but not talking. Use the Beidou from China and second generation Kunlun glass. Display resolution is 2688 by 1216, and the screen is a smaller 6.69 inch OLED, not curved but straight screen, and 100 Hz FTPO refresh rate, and 1440 PMW bright adjustment, 300 Hz touch rate. So almost same, it's just a screen difference. And display resolution is difference. Also the front both use the 30 megapixel super wide angle front camera, f2.4, but the Mate60 they use the 3D deep sensor cameras. And about weight, the Mate60 lighter, only 209 grams, and the dimensions is 161.4 length, 676 width, and 7.95 thickness. So almost same, but just a bit smaller size than the Mate60 Pro. And you can feel it when you hold it in your hand, a bit light, and not much difference, to be frank. Battery, charging, screen, display, also different, but not too big difference. And the chips also, I think, is similar to Kirin 9000S. Camera test, navigation, or supported. The camera is, I think, biggest is the camera and the battery. It supports 5 times periscope, but the Mate60 is a 40 megapixel macro lens and long lens camera. This difference. Camera screen, split screen, a difference. Battery is 4750, and the Mate60 is 5000. So this is another difference. Main difference. I think that's the main difference between these two devices. Yes, thanks for watching. This is my quick hands-on and comparison video between these two devices, and I go to the Huawei offline store to provide the shooter content, and hope you like it. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned waiting for more cool gadgets around here. Yes, Huawei Mate60 and 60 Pro. Which one do you like? Which color do you like? For me, I would prefer the green color. Thanks. And stay tuned waiting for more cool gadgets around here. Bye bye. Enjoy it.